Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save mobile data through the Netflix app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first launch the Netflix app on your mobile device. Then once you're in the app, tap on the My Netflix button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then on the next page, tap the menu button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then tap on App Settings. And here under Video Playback, right at the top of the page, you'll see Mobile Data Usage. So tap on that one. So you have the option of setting this to automatic, or if you want to change it, just toggle that option off. Then you have the option of using Netflix only on Wi-Fi, or you can choose the Save Data option to save data. Or if you don't care about your data, you can tap on maximum data and it will use maximum data. And that's all it takes to save data on the Netflix app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.